Get a feel for the 2019 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make the drive in comfort and sporty style in this well-equipped Blazer. Fresh, modern lines, crisp steering, a composed ride, and plenty of passenger and cargo space bring a new sense of enjoyment to all your excursions. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, wireless charging station, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control. Don't miss the chance to drive this sporty Blazer. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.